Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and it's the new year and I've made some resolutions. One of the resolutions I made was to be more fit, have more energy, and get more things done in the day, including some exercise. Well, I need a little help with all that. So I was looking into some nutritional products that could give me some boost and help me maintain all the willpower of all those resolutions. I looked at many products and I found Sunwave Nutrition. Sunwave Nutrition has two products that I really liked to get me going in the morning and to keep me energized most of the day. These are supplement pills that boost my metabolism. The green coffee supplement has green bean coffee extract. I also like the raspberry ketone blend. It's great because I can take one pill in the morning with my light breakfast and another one in the afternoon with lunch, and it keeps me going all day long. I love to run at the beach. That's my favorite thing to do, and to take long walks and to play. The beach is really close to me, so I'm so lucky. I get to look at the scenery and play in the waves and enjoy all that there is and use the outdoors as my exercise platform even in the winter. With the extra boost of energy, it makes me a little more lively as I'm out there, kind of making a fool of myself, but boy, it's a lot of fun. That's my favorite way to lose weight. By taking one in the morning, it suppresses my appetite, so at lunchtime I'm not as hungry. So I eat less of a lunch and I take my next one, and that even helps curb my dinner time appetite. Here's some before shots of me running at the beach. You can tell I was much heavier then. I probably was about 10 pounds heavier. My New Year's resolution to look better and feel better has worked for me. Let me show you my new body. Even my arms are thinner. I feel more confident because I have lost weight. I also feel that because I've lost so much, when I go out to eat, I can eat more because I'm not so conscious about, oh my gosh, we'll be able to take those extra pounds off, because with Sunwave Nutrition, I know I'll be able to tackle to lose that extra 2 or 3 pounds if I go up on the scale. Seeing that scale below 120 pounds makes me feel I can go to a brunch that's all you can eat and have a really good time. It's a little luxury to have gotten below 120 for me. It is not easy to do that alone. You might even want to call a friend. But Sunwave Nutrition really helped me boost that energy, boost my willpower, and stick to it. Click the link below and get your Sunwave Nutrition supplements and check them out. Comment and tell me what's your hardest thing when you're dieting. Is it chocolate by the bedside? You might want to put that away. That was one of my weaknesses. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel and ring my bell to get notified of my next video, and let's keep making great recipes in life, like figuring out what it's going to take for your recipe to help you slim down like mine. Mine worked. They don't always turn out. See you next time. If you like this video about fitness and losing weight, check out these others because they're on the same topic.